Okay, so this is the new Worx pressure washer. I couldn't find a video online, so we're recreating one ourselves because we just got it. So we got the hose hooked on and plugged, the water's on. My daughter's getting ready to plug it in, and then we're going to see how well it works compared to the other small portable one. I personally did not care for, so that's why we're trying this one. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Which is good. Much better than the other one they have. So yeah, it's good. You recording? Okay, so the one nice thing about it is very, very lightweight. It's very small. The soap thing's in the back, on the bottom, which is nice. And I like how all of where the plug is here, the hose is here, and this is over here. So that way they don't all, they're not on one side and I have to keep crossing over each other like I did on the other one. So I highly recommend this one. This is our third one. For the size of it, yeah, I'm very happy with it. So it did very well in the car and getting mud off from the farm. And so here's the on that. So another thing that's really cool on this is that the plug is super long, really long. So okay,